So a lot of people are feeling stuck these days, like they need a creative boost. And for me, one of the best places to get that boost is the Esalen Institute, which I have in the background behind me. I'm not actually there, but I'm looking forward to being there in Big Sur, California. At the end of June, the 26th to the 28th, I'll be conducting a workshop called Channel Your Creative Life from Flights to Perchings. And we'll be exploring multisensory techniques to activate creativity, whether you are an artist or whether you just want to feel more creative about your life and your decision making and the road ahead. So I hope that you'll join me. I'll be sharing some of the latest neurological science about creativity, as well as my own practice. And it is an experiential workshop. We'll be taking a walk through the herb gardens at Esalen to activate our sense of smell. And of course, people who attend the workshop will be able to enjoy the beautiful out of doors. And I'm really looking forward to offering this workshop there. I've offered it before at the Jung Center, and I think that being out in nature, we'll be able to take this workshop to a whole new level. So if you're interested, there's information about signing up in the description of this video. Thank you.